Welcome back to Filmora video training. In this video, we are going to add a title and a basic transition to the start of our composition and then export our very first video. If you want to go back and look at the previous videos in this series, head down to the description and you'll also find a link to download Filmora for yourself so you can start practicing. Now, let's get into it. So we've done some basic editing to our piece to camera. We've added a graphic, I've added some B-roll and some music. How about we put a title at the start of this clip? So I'm going to click up here to titles and I'm going to scroll down until I find one I like. I'm going to choose this one here. I can just drag and drop it onto the timeline. And just like editing other clips, you can drag the edge of your title to make it longer or shorter. If I put it on the same layer as my other footage, I'll be able to use a transition so I can dissolve between the two. Editing the length of transitions is a simple drag to extend as well.
Finding the right music can be the difference between engaging your...
I'm going to bring my music track, bump it back to the start of my clip. Now to edit our title, you can double click to bring out the title text editing tool. I can edit the font and the color. And I can scroll down, edit the position. And the size. When you're done, you can click OK. And then we can preview what our video looks like.
Finding the right music can be the difference between engaging your viewer and turning them off. There are a number of different free...
So the last thing that we need to do is export our video. This is a really easy step. All we have to do is press this big green export button up here. Choose the format that we want to export to. I always select MP4. Give it a name. And choose a destination to save it to. Make sure the resolution is correct. My video was filmed in 1920 by 1080, so I'm going to export it in the same. The frame rate is correct. I'm going to change it to best quality, which will automatically change the bitrate of the video and the audio, and click OK. You also have the option of automatically exporting it to an external device, straight to YouTube or Vimeo, or create a DVD. For now, I'm just going to export it straight to my computer. So that is a basic look at Filmora X. In this workshop, we have covered basic editing, adding B-roll, titles, and music. In the next video, we are going to look at some more advanced editing principles like color grading your footage, using green screen, the split screen effect, and go deeper into some of the tools we've already looked at. We've just covered all of the basic editing techniques to get you started with Filmora. Once you've mastered these tools, you can start to create some really cool videos. And if you want to go further, you can continue on to our more advanced editing tutorials. The key to becoming a good video editor is to practice and keep editing more and more videos. I can't wait to see what you create in Filmora. And if you're up for the challenge, I'll see you over in the next video where we'll look at color grading our footage. See you soon.